Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Plangdes. If you're returning, you're highly welcome. And if you're new, thank you so much for clicking this video. Please subscribe to my channel because we have exciting content that will help you learn and definitely improve. Hey guys, so thank you so much for watching this video, for reaching this point. I'm very grateful. Please do try out some of the styles, please do try out some of the styles, and don't forget to tag me on my social media. Even if you have a YouTube channel and you do this, please don't forget to tag me as well. I will definitely leave a comment there. If you try any of these styles, please, on maybe any of your pictures on any of your social media, please tag me at Plangdes _ on my Instagram, on my Twitter, and I guess so please leave positive comments below this video and give it a thumbs up. So let me tell you guys something. There's something that looks like a bell beside the subscribe. It's called a notification bell, a notification button. Just touch it and let it have that comma or that thing on top. It literally means you'll be notified each time I post a video. Before I even go online to make noise about it, or before I even go online to post that I have a new video, you're already notified. That is how special you are. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'm very grateful for all the love and all the support you've been showing me. The baby girl thanks you for growing my channel. So I really want to see my channel grow rapidly. So please share my video with your friends, with your family, with your loved ones, and it will be my delight to have them subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, and until next time, bye.